Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech with Triple J. So today we are going to do a small lab experiment, that is to program to switch on and off a LED bulb for 200, 2000 or 200 milliseconds. So let's begin. So hope you all have opened Tinkercad. You must be having an account. You can sign in through Google, Facebook, or you can sign up. So let's first change the name, that is switch on and off LED. So I have given the name. So as you can see, it's here, switching on and off LED. So before that, what all the components we need is that let's take an Arduino board, Uno R3. So I'll be using Arduino Uno R3. So you can see here the digital pins, the analog inputs, and then we have the 5-volt out and the ground. So let's even take two LED. So here we have it. Let's first try with LED and then we'll use 2 to 3 LEDs more. So let's name the as LED 1. Let me take the color as green. Okay, and then let's take a resistor. So you can see here, so the resistor, that's capital R1 resistor. I'm default taking as 1 kilo ohm. So let's begin first giving the connections. So one of the points, that is cathode, must be supplied to a ground. So let's just give ground connection, and let's arrange it neatly so that it looks good. And also let's change the color to black, and the resistor, just hold and drag it to a point of the anode, terminal 2. So we have already connected the cathode to the ground, and then here we have the anode which is connected to the resistor, the 1 kilo ohm. And here let's take this terminal 1 and give it to a connection of, you can give to any digital pin. So let's take 12. I'm just randomly picking one, and let's change the color to red. So here is the setup. So now we need to provide a code for this to blink and on and off. So here if you see this option called blocks, so click on that and take the third option, that is text. So here a pop-up menu comes. It is like asking you, are you sure? Just click on continue, and then you will find your text code. So here already default there are some text written here. Let's just remove all these, and so let's begin. First for a Arduino we have to start with a void setup. So and then we open the curly brackets, pin mode, the M should be capital, and then pin mode. So the pin which we are giving is 12. So let's take 12 comma. So what is the 12 digital pin? It's an output, so this type output, close it, semicolon, and close the flower bracket. Next starts our void loop. Let's again open the curly bracket and write digital W write 12 comma high. That means it is on. So the pin that we are connected to 12th pin, and high means here basically it's on, turn on and turn off. So a semicolon, and then we delay, like how long do you want the light to turn on and turn off. So we are setting the delay for around 2000 milliseconds. It's all calculated in milliseconds. And then next, for turning off also digital right, and then we open the bracket 12 comma low LOW, close the semicolon and delay it for 2000. So this is a loop, it's inside a void loop, so it keeps on occurring cycle by cycle. So we're done with this, and then we close the bracket. So void setup, the pin output, and then void loop, we have written the digital right 12 high, then we are giving a delay of 2000 milliseconds, and then off after 2000 milliseconds. So the code is done. So hope you have understood the code. Now let's start the stimulation. You can see here there's a start and stop stimulation button. Just click on it. Yeah, so you can see that the LED is turned on here, right here, and then after 2000 milliseconds it's automatically going on and off. So you can check here. Let's change the color to yellow. Yeah, it's changing. Let's try blue. Oh, it's barely seen. What about red? Hope you can see red. Yes. So a simple experiment. One of the cathode is connected to the terminal ground, and then we have to connect a resistor. So few people must be asking why we have to connect a resistor. So resistor, it opposes the flow of current. What if I remove this resistor? So let's remove the part. Let's give a direct connection and try. Yeah, see, the excess current is flowing through the LED. You can see the current through the LED is 36.8 milliamp, while recommend maximum is 20 milliamps. So a high ampere current is flowing. That's why we are using a resistance. So let's bring back the resistance, and then we start the stimulation. So yeah, now it's perfect. Similarly, let's add 2 more LED together and a resistor. Yes, and then since the ground is given to the same connections, I'm just connecting all over here. Then I connect over here and I change the color to black. Properly. Yeah, hope it looks good. And then we connect this pin to here, and I'll give this to 2. So it's up to you. You can give any of the digital terminals. Yep. So now let's recode it. So here we are adding 2 more LEDs, so we have to add pin mode here. So basically I'll copy this and then I'll paste it twice. Yeah, so what the pin have taken here is 3, so just mention it 3, and here we have done as 2. Similarly, this also delay, just copy it and then paste it. So which pin are you taking? That is 3, just enter 3, and for other one 2. Yeah, done. Now let's start the stimulation. Okay, there is some issue with this. Oh, it is working. Yeah. Okay, it's good. Let's change the red. Is it yellow? And then we have the green. Yes, now you can see the lights are blinking. So we have the red, yellow, green. Yes, so you can change the delay time as per your convenience. So hope you understood this experiment, that is how to use using Arduino, how to make LED bulb blink. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share with your friend, and also hit the bell icon to get my latest video. So hope you enjoy this, guys. Thank you.